Anytime Plumber Leach Field Mound System install. Welcome to a project spotlight from Anytime Plumbers, proudly serving the Pensacola and surrounding areas. Today we're walking you through the installation process of a leach field mound system. Every successful septic system starts with careful planning. Our team begins with a comprehensive site evaluation, checking elevations, slope, and setbacks to ensure compliance with Florida Department of Health regulations. After clearing the designated area, we prep the ground, making sure the site is level and ready for the septic mound system. Once the bottom of the drain field is prepped at proper elevation, provided from the Department of Environmental Protection, Anytime Plumber will install the new chambers and get ready for our first inspection. These pipes will carry treated wastewater from the septic tank to the soil below the mound. Next, we bring in sand to form the mound. This elevated system ensures proper filtration and dispersal of effluent, especially in the areas of high water tables. Once our uncovered drain field passes the first inspection, Anytime Plumber will cover the soil and top the mound with hay and grass. At Anytime Plumbers, we do more than just fix pipes, we build solutions that last. From initial design to final inspection, trust our licensed team to get the job done right.